Brand manager and marketing manager sound like the same job, same department, same meetings, same buzzword. But in reality, choosing between these two careers can completely change the kind of marketer you become. So in this video, I'm breaking down the real difference between a brand manager and a marketing manager, what each role actually does day to day, and which one might be right for you. If you're confused between these roles or planning a career switch, watch till the end. And if you want to get insider knowledge in marketing, branding, AI, and product, hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's start with the simplest way to understand this. A brand manager thinks long term. A marketing manager thinks short to mid term. A brand manager's job is to build meaning. A marketing manager's job is to drive results. Now let's go deeper. A brand manager is responsible for how a brand is perceived in the market. They define things like what the brand stands for, who the brand is for, what the brand personality is, and how the brand should feel to customers. They work on brand positioning, brand storytelling, messaging, and overall direction. Think of a brand manager as the person asking, 5 years from now, what should people think and feel when they hear our brand name? On the other hand, a marketing manager is responsible for execution and performance. They focus on campaign planning, lead generation, traffic conversions, budgets, ROI. Their question is, how do we get more customers this month or this quarter? Now here's where most people get confused. Brand managers usually don't run ads daily. Marketing managers usually do. Brand managers decide what should be communicated. Marketing managers decide how to push that message across channels. Brand managers sit closer to strategy. Marketing managers sit closer to execution. Another big difference is how success is measured. Brand managers are evaluated on things like brand awareness, brand recall, market share, brand consistency, long-term brand equity. Marketing managers are evaluated on lead, sales, customer acquisition, cost return on ad spend, and campaign performance. Neither role is better. They're just very different. Now, let's talk about skills. If you want to be a brand manager, you need strategic thinking, consumer psychology, storytelling, research skills, strong communication, and the ability to align multiple teams. If you want to be a marketing manager, you need execution speed channel expertise, performance marketing knowledge, data analysis, budget management, optimization mindset. Here's an honest truth most people won't tell you. Brand management roles are fewer, more competitive, and more strategic, which is why they also pay really well. Marketing manager roles are more common and easier to enter early in your career. That's why many freshers start in digital or performance marketing roles and then transition into brand management. So which role should you choose? Choose brand management if you enjoy strategy more than daily execution. You like psychology and storytelling. You want to shape long-term brand direction. You see yourself in leadership roles later. Choose marketing management if you enjoy hands-on execution. You like fast results and numbers. You enjoy testing, optimizing, and scaling. You want to specialize in channels like ads, SEO, or growth. And here's the most important part. To become a brand manager, you can't rely only on college degrees or generic marketing knowledge. You need to understand how brands are positioned, how real brand strategies are built, how campaigns connect to long-term brand goals, and how brand managers think in real companies. That's exactly why we created our live brand management course at Young Urban Project. It's designed for people who want to transition into brand management, not just learn definitions. You work on real brand problems, learn proven frameworks, and understand how to crack brand manager interviews. If brand management sounds like the career you want, the link is in the description. To wrap this up, marketing managers drive results. Brand managers shape perception. Both are powerful careers, but only one will match how you like to think and work. If this video helped you, drop a like and a comment. Share it with someone who might need it. Make sure to subscribe to Young Urban Project for more career-focused marketing content. And we'll see you in the next video.